What is the next letter after O? Some of them telling very correctly, but some of them are thinking. Okay, let's sing a song of alphabets. Then we recall the letter after O. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, L, M, N, O, L, M, N, O, P. Correct. Okay, let's see how to write the capital P and small p. Okay, you have to put a straight line like this and we have to join this two part. And the small p, look at very small. Okay, this is capital P and this is small p. Okay, parrot. You all know the parrot, isn't it? The letter P. The letter P. The letter P sounds like pa, 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 pa. The letter P sounds like pa, 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 pa. Okay, just open your mouth. Open your mouth. The letter B. The letter B. The letter B sounds like pa. The letter B. The letter B. The letter B sounds like pa, 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 pa. Okay, the letter B sounds like pa, 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 parrot, pa, pa, parrot. Okay, the letter B sounds like pa, 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 parrot. Okay, after P we are going to the next letter. We'll see after P what is the letter after the P. Come on, tell me. After B. Oh, you're asking me to sing a song, alphabetic song again. Okay, and I'm singing the alphabet song again. Then find out the letter after P. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P. After P, L, M, N, O, P. I'm hearing your song. Correct. Q. Okay, what is the next letter after P? Q. Yes. How to write the capital Q? You have to put a circle like this and we have to just draw the one slanting line here. Okay, and what is the small q? Small q look like this. Okay, this is capital Q and this is small q. Okay, now we are going to learn the letter Q and its sound. This is capital Q and this is small q. Okay, the Q sounds like qua, qua, qua. No, q, qua, qua. Okay, the letter Q. The letter Q. Give a clap. The letter Q. The letter Q. The letter Q sounds like qua, 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 qua. Okay, the sound of the letter Q is qua, qua, qua. Okay, have to keep your mouth like this. Qua, 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 qua. Okay. Okay, now let's sing a song together. Okay, all of you sing together. Okay, I will tell you 1, 2, 3. After 3, we have to sing together. Okay, 1, 2, 3. The letter Q. The letter Q. The letter Q sounds like qua, 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 qua. The letter Q. The letter Q. The letter Q sounds like qua, qua, qua. No, duck will say no. Qua, qua, qua. The same sound. Okay, how the duck sound? Qua, qua, qua. The same sound. The letter Q. The letter Q. The letter Q sounds like qua, qua, qua. Queen. The letter Q. The letter Q. The letter Q sounds like quack, quack, queen. Quack, quack, queen. The letter sound. The letter Q sounds like quack, 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 queen. Okay. After Q, what is the letter after Q? Okay. Oh, I want to sing a song from begin. Okay, I am singing a song for you. Alphabet song, isn't it? Okay. A, B. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q. P, Q? I'm hearing the sound. Yes, correct. Tell me. After the Q, R. Very good. After the Q, R. Okay, now let's see how to write capital R and small r. Okay, let's see how to write the capital R and small r. We have to put a straight line like this, and we have to draw like semicircle, and here one slanting line. This is capital R, and the small r looks like this. I think many of you will struggle while writing a small r. Just keep it like this. If you are struggle to write capital small r means, then follow this. You just put a one like a 1, and we have to put like this. Okay, this is enough for the beginners. Okay, beginners ku is enough. This is small r. Okay, this is a capital R and this is small r. Okay, this is capital R and this is small r. Okay, this is rainbow. You all like a rainbow? Okay, before the rain comes, the rainbow will come, isn't it? Okay, on that rain, not too rainy, not too sunny, on that climate you will see rainbow. Where will you see the rainbow? In the sky. Okay, correct. Okay, now let's learn the sound of letter R. The R sounds like ru, ru, ru. Okay, not ra, ru, ru. Okay, we have to keep our tongue in the front of the teeth. Ru, ru, ru. Okay, the R sounds like ru, ru, ru. The R sounds like ru, 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 ru. No, how to pronounce R? How the sound of the R is ru, ru, ru. Okay, we have to keep the tongue here. Ru, ru, ru. Okay, you're not coming, the sound is not coming for you. Don't worry, it will be get. Okay, you will get the sound when you practice. Okay, we are going to practice daily. Okay, so what is the sound of the R? Ru, ru, ru. The sound of the R. Ru, 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 rainbow. Ru, 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 rainbow. The R, the R, the R, the R. The R sounds like ru, ru, ru. The R sounds like ru, 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 rainbow. Ru, 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 rainbow. How the R sounds like ru, ru, ru. Okay, we have to keep the tongue here. Ru, ru, ru. Okay, the R. Just come on, sing a song. The R. Don't feel it. It will be get. When will you practice it? Don't worry. The R. Jump. The R. Sit. The R. Stand. The R. Sit. The R. Stand. Come on. Enjoy. The R. Sit. The R. Stand. The R. Sit. The R. Jump. The R sounds like ru, ru, ru. The R sounds like ru, ru, rainbow. The R sounds like ru, 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 rainbow. The R sounds like ru, 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 rainbow. Okay, how the R sounds like ru, ru, ru. Okay, the ru. You have to keep your mouth like this. Ru, ru, ru. Okay, don't worry. If you are not getting, don't worry. It will be get practice. Okay, practice. If you do practice, then you can speak easily. You can get the sound very easily. The sound of the R is RU, RU, RU. Okay. Now next move to the next letter. What is the next letter? A, B, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, R, S, or yes, Anuj of telling the letter. Okay. After R, what is the letter? After R? Yes, yes. Okay, yes. The capital S looks like this and small s looks like this. Okay, this is capital S and this is small s. S for snake. Oh, you all will get afraid about it. The S sounds like okay, the S sounds like how the snakes will sound? The same sound. Okay, the sound of the letter S is ish, ish, ish. The letter sound, the letter S, the letter S sound like ish, 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 ish. The letter S, the letter S, the letter S sound like ish, 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 snake. Snake. Okay, how the letter S sounds like ish, ish, ish. Okay, you have to keep when we want to be silent. What the teacher will say? Shh. Now that is shoo. You have to say shh, shh, shh. Okay, shh. Okay. The letters S. The letter S. The letter S sounds like ish, 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 ish. The letter S stand. The letter S sit. The letter S jump. The letter S sounds like ish, ish, snake. The letter S. The letter S. The letter S sounds like ish, ish, snake. Ish, ish, snake. Okay. The letter S sounds like ish, ish, ish. Okay, okay. After S, what is the next letter after S? Just think. Think, think. Okay, you want me to sing a song again? Okay, A, B. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, R, S. Yes, correct. T. Okay, how to write the capital T? You have to put a straight line like this and one sleeping line. This is capital T and this is small t. Okay, okay. The train. We can draw the train here. Okay, this is a capital T and this is small t. Okay, this is capital T and this is small t. The letter T. Come on, clap together. Clap. Come on, clap. The letter T. The letter T. The letter T sounds like t, t, t. The letter T. The letter T. The letter T sounds like t, 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 t. The letter T. Come on, clap, clap. Come on, come on. Gather together, together to sing a song. Okay. The letter T. 1, 2. The letter T. 1, 2. The letter T sounds like t, t, t. What is the sound of the T? Two. Okay, two, two, two. Come on, come on. Just together and say two, 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 two. The letter T. 1, 2. The letter T. 1, 2. The letter T. Sit, sit, sit. The letter T. Stand, stand, stand. The letter T. Jump, jump, jump. The letter T sounds like T, T, T. Train. The letter T. The letter T. The letter T sounds like T, T, T. Train. Okay. Okay, now we learn the letter T and it sounds like T, T, T. Train. Okay, now we are moving to the next letter after the T. What is the letter after T? Let's be sing the alphabet song. Okay, I'm ready. But you all are looking very lazy and you all are looking, someone are looking very tired and someone is looking very sad. Why? Let's enjoy. Okay. Now I'm going to give a small exercise. Okay. Sit. Come on, everybody sit. Sit. Stand. Sit, stand. Stand. Sit. Stand. Jump. Stand. Jump. Stand. Sit. Stand. Jump. Okay. Fine. Everybody got very brisk. Okay. Now we are going to learn the next letter after the T.